going to be replacing the rear shocks on this Freightliner, and we're going to see if we can do it with my little 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench there. Now I'm going to hold with a wrench and get on the nut, and like there's nothing to it. Our next one is down here at the bottom, and I'm not going to be able to get the impact on the nut. I'm going to have to put the impact on the head of the bolt, which is a little more difficult because instead of just having to rotate that nut, it has to rotate the entire bolt inside that sleeve. So might be a little more of a challenge. So for those of you that are wondering, no, this is not my truck. This truck belongs to a friend of mine who's an owner-operator. It needs all new shocks, and I told him I'd be glad to help him out with that. So he brought it down, dropped it off for me just a little while ago, and we're going to be getting these shocks on for it. I don't have to worry about using anti-seize here and things loosening up, is because this nut is mechanically made. It drags on the threads right there with the end. See how it got hard and started turning the whole thing? It'll drag those threads down and kind of lock itself in there. Why are these stuck? That's no good. They're that cold. Wow. All right, haven't had that happen before, but whatever. There we go. So I'm going to cut it out. Now you can see here, I've got this one piece of steel to protect our tires. This other piece of steel is to protect this airbag. Most modern semi-trucks run on airbag suspension. The airbags are made of rubber. Rubber and molten steel do not get along well. Oh, come on, you piece of crap. You know, I don't know if I'd want to go back to doing it all day, every day, but I do kind of miss working on these big things every once in a while. That's not going to happen. What you see me doing there, I'm moving the wrench so that it comes around and it's going to hit this axle housing, and this axle housing is going to support it instead of me trying to have to hold it and turn the ratchet. Let the truck do part of the work for me. Alright, so what are the odds this top bolt comes out without having to be cut? One of the other three has. So comment down below and let me know what you think. She feels stuck. Let's go to Tractor Supply and get some bolts. The Milwaukee Impact performed beautifully. If you guys want one of these things, I'll put a link in the description to where you can go check them out on Amazon. Doesn't change the price for you, but if you buy one through that link, they throw the channel a couple of pennies. So thanks for watching, and more later.